Welcome to our podcast, where we explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrency and unravel its potential to revolutionize the way we handle digital transactions and challenge traditional financial systems. In the latest Binance news, significant changes are hitting the cryptocurrency exchange world. The exchange's founder, Changpeng Zhao, or CZ, has resigned as CEO, following his guilty plea to money laundering charges and agreement to pay an unprecedented $50 million fine. This news has created shockwaves throughout the crypto community, stoking fears about the future of Binance. Simultaneously, in the wake of Zhao's guilty plea and resignation, there are predictions about possible consequences, one of them being a potential 95% crash in Binance Coin BB price. Yet, many experts believe such a drastic fall unlikely, notwithstanding critics' grim forecasts. In addition, Binance might have to fork out a remarkable $4 billion in a settlement with the Department of Justice, DOJ, a deal with significant implications for the firm and its operations. The potential fallout extends to Zhao himself, who could possibly serve prison time for his charges, a prospect under debate in the crypto community. Despite these challenges, Binance is making determined strides towards stability. For instance, Zhao is out on a hefty $175 million bond, potentially allowing him to return to Dubai unless the U.S. prosecutors move to keep him stateside until sentencing counters this option. Moreover, Binance has consented to pay over $7.6 billion in settlements to U.S. regulators for violating anti-money laundering and sanctions laws, confirming its exit from the U.S. market in consequence. These legal troubles have rippled through the cryptocurrency markets, increasing volatility. Still, Bitcoin's price is aiming at breaking the $40,000 mark as it clears key resistance levels. Likewise, the effects of the DOJ's actions against Binance have surfaced in the market. Post the billion-dollar settlement, Binance experienced $1 billion outflows, which the industry interprets as the beginning of challenging times for the company in maintaining compliance under U.S. regulators' watchful eye. However, the company's strategic leadership changes might help navigate these tumultuous waters. Binance appointing Richard Teng as the new CEO following Zhao's legal issues is seen as a hopeful move towards stability. Furthermore, Binance orchestrated a massive $3.9 billion Tether transfer from a cold wallet just before settling with the DOJ, a maneuver casting more intrigue on the unfolding legal proceedings. However, in the midst of these uncertainties, there's a noticeable trend of heavyweight investors accumulating altcoins like Maker, SSV.network, Coin98, and RSS3. Despite the upheavals, few indicate that Binance can comfortably withstand the blow of a $4.3 billion fine and the loss of Zhao. As the crypto world ponders Binance's survival, JP Morgan presents an optimistic view that the settlement may ultimately serve as a positive catalyst for the crypto industry. Finally, the future of Binance Coin remains unclear post these events. Nonetheless, the cryptocurrency community pins some hope on the recent analysis pointing to a potential price surge. As the news of legal battles, leadership changes, and regulatory pressures unfold around Binance, the larger financial and cryptocurrency community watches closely. For example, the revelations that CZ admitted to federal crimes and Binance's agreement to pay a record $4.3 billion fine have caught global attention. Similarly, the fact that Binance transferred a sizable $3.9 billion USDT amid these events adds fuel to the ongoing intrigue. In addition, the recent arrival of Pepe Coin to Binance Earn amplified the buzz, coming as it did during Binance CEO's resignation. Therefore, the fast-paced Binance news and developments continue reshaping the cryptocurrency industry. With the impacts varying from significant price shifts to hard debates about the future of crypto companies, the crypto world eagerly awaits the consequences of these legal and leadership changes. Similarly, another exchange, Kraken, is grappling with a lawsuit from the Securities and Exchange Commission, contributing to the hurdles facing the cryptocurrency industry. Despite all these, Binance saw no exodus from its platform, suggesting the storm has not deterred its users. Binance's new CEO remains confident about the stability of its fundamentals amid these challenges. In recent Kraken news, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has once again launched a lawsuit against the company, this time in the San Francisco federal court. The legal action involves 16 crypto tokens that the SEC has identified as securities, paralleling similar lawsuits against other major exchanges such as Coinbase and Binance. The SEC's continued scrutiny of the industry underlines the evolving regulatory landscape and underlines the heightened importance of regulatory compliance for cryptocurrency platforms. Cryptocurrency compliance and regulatory aspects are increasingly in focus, with exchanges, including Kraken, needing to ensure full compliance with securities laws. In light of these regulatory challenges, Jesse Powell, Kraken's co-founder, has responded to Binance's recent plea, encouraging all participants in the cryptocurrency space to adopt responsible practices. He views legal proceedings like the one involving Binance as contributing to a more level playing field and promoting fairness within the industry. These legal developments underscore the increasing significance of managing regulatory demands in the cryptocurrency environment. With SEC's highlighting of specific tokens as securities and exchanges such as Kraken facing legal repercussions, responsible navigation of these regulatory waters is critical. We will continue to provide updates as more news emerges on this front. In the latest Bitcoin news, there are several noteworthy developments to explore. First, with the halving event fast approaching, an event that occurs roughly every 4 years and halves mining rewards, mining activity is noticeably increasing as miners strive to maximize their efforts. This event is projected to significantly affect Bitcoin's price and its future trajectory. On the subject of price, while Bitcoin recently surpassed the $10,000 mark, analysts predict a potential retracement before the cryptocurrency continues its bullish progression towards a $50,000 target. This speculated temporary pullback may present an enticing opportunity for those seeking to enter the market or strengthen their existing holdings. Conversely, some experts suggest that Bitcoin's price might ascend beyond current resistance levels, indicating a promising bullish trend that could lure more investors, driving the price upward. This prospect has stirred excitement among Bitcoin enthusiasts, looking forward to possible growth and broader adoption of the cryptocurrency. An intriguing innovation worth mentioning in the Bitcoin space is the Zero-Knowledge Contingent Payments, ZKCP. This technology, aimed to boost privacy and transactional security, enables parties to transact without disclosing sensitive information. This innovative approach could significantly impact how Bitcoin transactions are undertaken, making them safer and more private. These developments underscore the persistent dynamism and potential in the world's predominant cryptocurrency as Bitcoin continues to evolve. Keep an eye out for more updates on the continually shifting landscape of Bitcoin. In the most recent Ripple news, the company's chief legal counsel has made waves by criticizing the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, for what he views as its immature behavior and unfair targeting of cryptocurrency assets. This comes amid Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the SEC over the sale of XRP tokens. In response to this, the SEC has called for a closed-door meeting to discuss a possible settlement, though it is still unclear whether this will result in a resolution or if the legal battle will persist. Simultaneously, Ripple's Chief Technology Officer, CTO, has sought to debunk the claim that XRP holders are investors in Ripple. He has drawn a comparison to Amazon, asserting that just like owning Amazon stocks doesn't make one an investor in Amazon, holding XRP doesn't make one an investor in Ripple. This analogy is intended to underscore the division between Ripple and its digital asset, XRP. In a related development, Ripple has been expanding its industry network amidst the recent upheaval surrounding Binance, a foremost cryptocurrency exchange. Ripple's chief legal officer, CLO, has praised Binance for its resolution with the Department of Justice, DOJ, viewing this as a potentially positive turn for the broader crypto landscape. As the legal discourse between Ripple and the SEC surges on, the repercussions of these developments on Ripple and the wider cryptocurrency community remain to be seen. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story. In recent Shiba Inu news, the cryptocurrency is consolidating at a vital support level, hinting at a possible rally. However, the day's general downturn in the crypto market has led to a reduction in SHIB's price. There's uncertainty surrounding whether this support level will continue to serve its purpose or transform into a resistance point. Simultaneously, there's been a significant 288% increase in activity on Shiba Inu, a platform specifically for Shiba Inu transactions. Yet, this surge has been unable to stave off the negative impact of the overall market conditions on SHIB's price. Meanwhile, a new project, Meme Combat, is also gaining significant attention, which might draw some focus away from Shiba Inu's progress. In spite of these developments, the future of Shiba Inu remains somewhat uncertain, largely contingent on the broad cryptocurrency market trends and other factors. Stay tuned for more updates on Shiba Inu and the wider crypto market's movements. In today's cryptocurrency update, Bitcoin remains steadfast and is speculated not to drop below $30,000 again if a certain pattern holds true. This is encouraging for Bitcoin enthusiasts who are closely monitoring its price, which recently surged past $37,000. Contributing to this positive momentum is the ongoing speculation about the potential approval of a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, a topic that has intensified interest amongst retail and institutional investors alike. Nonetheless, the role of regulatory debates in relation to the Bitcoin ETF can't be dismissed. A sense of caution persists in some countries that are still deliberating appropriate regulations for cryptocurrencies. These regulatory frameworks will significantly shape the future of cryptocurrencies and their acceptance. On another note in Bitcoin news, creditors of the defunct Mt. Gox exchange, which once dominated the Bitcoin exchange industry, can expect to receive Bitcoin payments starting from 2023 as part of a rehabilitation plan. This brings hope to those who had lost funds when the exchange filed for bankruptcy in 2014 after losing hundreds of thousands of Bitcoins in a hacking incident. That concludes our cryptocurrency update for today. Keep checking in for the latest developments in the cryptocurrency landscape. In today's Easy Crypto news, we're excited to announce the collaboration between Easy Crypto and Australian blockchain development firm Labris. Joining forces, they present a profound response to increasing demand for stable digital assets by launching the New Zealand dollar stablecoin, NZDD, through a local crypto exchange. Regulated by the Financial Markets Authority, FMA, in New Zealand, the NZDD stablecoin aligns its operations with local financial systems guidelines, which ensure its reliability and provides users peace of mind during transactions. Characterized by its stability, the NZDD, like other stablecoins, is designed to minimize the typical volatility associated with cryptocurrencies by being pegged to a fiat currency, in this case the New Zealand dollar. In launching the NZDD, Easy Crypto and Labris not only paved the way for users to transact with a reliable, regulated digital asset, but also illustrate the rising interest and potential of blockchain technology to transform the financial industry. As the crypto market evolves, such partnerships underscore the relentless endeavors to develop more accessible, stable options in the crypto realm. That's all for today's Easy Crypto installment. Stay with us for further updates on the latest advancements in cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. In recent cryptocurrency news, there has been a significant development with Justin Sun's Hiko chain and its affiliated HTX exchange. They were targeted by hackers, resulting in a considerable loss of $100 million, causing shockwaves throughout the crypto community. This is not the first time Justin Sun's ventures have faced such security breaches, with platforms such as Tron having similar issues in the past. In response to the hack, Justin Sun assured users and investors that recompense would cover all incurred losses. Despite the regrettable news, Sun taking responsibility and promising compensation provides some comfort to Hiko Chain and HTX exchange users. However, these incidents undoubtedly raise concerns about the robustness of security measures in cryptocurrency platforms and the constant need for vigilance in the rapidly evolving digital assets domain. The investigation into this significant hack is ongoing, underlining the importance for investors and the crypto community to stay abreast of developments. The outcome of this incident and subsequent actions from Hiko Chain and HTX Exchange will play a crucial role in shaping the future of Justin Sun's cryptocurrency initiatives, alongside influencing the broader perception of industry security. OpenAI news reveals significant fluctuation in the price of the cryptocurrency, WorldCoin, following corporate changes. The cryptocurrency's price saw a sharp decline resulting from the termination of OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, leaving investors uncertain about WorldCoin's future and leading to a market crash. However, Altman's recent reinstatement as CEO has brought stability and a renewed sense of confidence, prompting a resurgence in WLD's value. Under Altman's restoration, there's a hopeful anticipation among investors for OpenAI and the WorldCoin project's future successes. This positive trend in the price of WLD is perceived as a sign of restored optimism in the market. Investors and traders are now keenly watching the potential evolution of this digital currency under Altman's renewed leadership. While the long-term impact of these changes on WorldCoin's trajectory remains uncertain, there is no doubt that Sam Altman's reinstatement as OpenAI's CEO has significantly boosted WLD holders' confidence and may stimulate regained interest in this digital currency. In the latest SEC news, Ripple's chief legal counsel has criticized the SEC for what they believe to be unfair and inconsistent behavior in anti-crypto enforcement actions, especially with the classification of cryptocurrencies as securities. In a related development, Ripple and the SEC are scheduled for a closed-door meeting to negotiate and address their ongoing legal issues, indicating active engagement between the two parties. Furthermore, the SEC has recently classified 16 crypto tokens as securities in its lawsuit against Kraken, a move that has repercussions with other major cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. This action signifies the SEC's continued commitment to enforcing regulations in the cryptocurrency sphere. In a parallel commentary, SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce has voiced her belief in the potential for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF. Peirce, a known proponent for innovation in the crypto industry, contends there is no substantial reason to deny such an ETF. In connection to this, Grayscale, an asset management company, has been proactive in meeting with SEC officials to discuss their application for a Bitcoin ETF, underlining their strategy to actively engage with regulation to streamline their ETF approval process. In a different context, a victory for the SEC has been pointed out by a former SEC chief in reference to the Department of Justice's actions against Binance. The ex-chief views these actions as reinforcing the SEC's authority and commitment to cryptocurrency market regulation. Supplying additional insight into this situation, a former SEC insider has shared perspectives into the Binance DOJ settlement and the SEC's perceived triumph, providing a glimpse of the dynamics between regulatory authorities and crypto industry players. To conclude, the SEC and Ripple are set for a private meeting to discuss their ongoing legal conflict, suggesting that resolution negotiations are progressing. Stay tuned for more updates on these significant developments in crypto regulatory news. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode on cryptocurrency, where we explored the fascinating world of digital currencies, blockchain technology, and the potential future impact it can have on our financial systems and beyond.